Hey, Nick, how about over at Pure Storage? Top two priorities there for you all going forward over this next year.
Yeah, so from our perspective, very similar to BMC, and I'm sure this is a perspective that's being shared really across the industry in response to how customers want to consume enterprise infrastructure, applications, and services. We don't see ourselves as a storage company, but as a data service company. So our focus is really on evolving and to address the full scope of data services and data integration from end to end to deliver what we call a modern data experience. Our customers, especially in the US government, are looking for ways to leverage their data on premises and some of the largest infrastructure in the world, and then move that, leverage it, make it available across every infrastructure platform that they can consume. So a lot of that is the public cloud. And then there's obviously the data protection, integrity, and security aspects of this well. So from end to end, the data lifecycle, we're seeking to help facilitate addressing that. So our top priorities are transforming the entire data services experience to make it consumable as a subscription service, whether that's on-premises data service platforms or cloud-based data service infrastructure, application services, et cetera. And then make the implementation and utilization of those services invisible and infinite. We want customers basically to be, if we're doing our jobs well, we literally disappear into the IT infrastructure fabric. They don't even know it's there. The data just is there. It's performant. The applications run well. And the idea, we know we're successful in this endeavor when agencies are simply able to focus on application service delivery and integration and innovation, and simply assume that that can be implemented as a matter of course, regardless of whether that data is on premises or hosted in other infrastructure. And the second fundamental thing, because we work with data, is on hardening the security of these data services in the infrastructure appliances and the online services. So this is a huge, for us, whole of corporate effort to ensure we can deliver those capabilities to our customers, those services that they need to ensure the integrity of their systems and their data, to ensure statutory and regulatory compliance. But most importantly, without having to wrestle the infrastructure into submission to make it happen. From our perspective, and we've proven this over and over again, and it's been seen everywhere, when security is built into the platforms and services that are procured, it is tremendously more efficient and more effective than when it has to be bolted on afterwards. So the standards are out there. The government publishes them freely and openly. We know what our building code is. So the move for us is to actually start engineering to that code to make it much easier for us to obtain the necessary certification, and therefore make it a lot simpler and more efficient for our customers to consume it. So those are our biggest initiatives for the next couple of years.
Absolutely.